Hi, my name's Mavis Kirk. I'm going to be discussing lynda.com. I have found it very informative in researching my chosen topic, which is teaching online. I have taken a lot of courses online, and I'm very interested in teaching in that format. I find it very helpful to be able to have the option to take classes at your convenience on your own schedule. And I also have taught in a traditional classroom, teaching adult students in a night class, and I also enjoyed that. So I feel like this is the best of both worlds. My topic of discussion, like I said, is online teaching. So in order to create a playlist, I went into lynda.com. I went to the search bar and chose online teaching. And I scrolled down to find a large selection of videos. I wanted to be able to select a few that fit my need, and I chose one. And I hit save. And once I did that, if you go to the saved bar at the top, you could see that I have saved 5 videos in my playlist. So for future reference, I can easily go back to lynda.com, click on saved. I'll see that 4 of my videos are in progress. I've saved 5. I have 1 collection. I have so far watched 4 of these videos. This one I just downloaded, and I'm very interested in watching it. There's a lot of things that you can learn about teaching online in this format, and the good thing is it's all right before you using lynda.com, because you can choose your topic and several videos appear all at once. It's my goal to be able to learn more things through lynda.com in conjunction with the class, and I feel that lynda.com is very helpful for use in the class, and I hope that everyone is enjoying their experience, and I wish everyone the best. Thank you.